Welcome back. Part of the process has already been completed, and we have downloaded several articles on our topic area from scientific publications and journals. We are now going to use those articles inside of our Pro account. We are going to go to the attach area. You'll notice that there are no longer stated limits. We're going to attach the articles. With our Pro account toggled on, we're now going to ask Perplexity to summarize each of the articles and to provide one joint set of conclusions. We are now going to click Enter. And we're going to allow Perplexity to complete its summarization and complete our requests. And Perplexity provides a summary of each article. It also provides a summary of all of the articles together. We can include other elements such as videos and images if that is what we want to do, but we're going to leave this search for now as is. Okay, so that thanks, and I will see you in another video.